Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the basic machine tool. What is basic machine tool? The hundred of varieties of metal machining tools ranging in size from small machines mounted on workpiece to huge production machines weighing several hundred tons are used in modern industries. They retain the basic characteristics of their ninth and earlier 20th century ancestors and are still classed as one of the following. Number one, turning machines, under turning, lathe and boring mills, shaper planers, drilling machines, milling machines, grinding machines, and power saws and presses. So this all about the basic machine tools. So next we will discuss about the turning machines. In the engine lathe, as the horizontal metal turning machine is commonly called common is the most important of all the machine tools. It is usually considered the father of all other machine tools because many of its fundamental mechanical elements are incorporated into the design of other machine tools. The engine lathe is a basic machine tool that can be used for a variety of turning, facing, drilling operations. It is used a single point cutting tool for turning and boring. Turning operation involve cutting excess metals in the form of chips from the external diameter of the workpiece, include turning straight or trapper cylindrical shapes. Okay, then groups shoulders and screw threads and facing flat surface on the ends of cylindrical parts. Internal cylindrical operation include most of the common hole machining operations such as drilling, boring, reaming, counter boring, counter shrinking, and threading with a single point tool or trap. Boring involves enlarging and finishing hole that has been cored on the drill board. Holes are more accurate in roundness, concentrate and then drill holes. A hole is bored with a single point cutting tools that fits along the inside of the workpiece. Boring mills have circular horizontal tables that rotate about the vertical axis, and they are designed for boring and turning operation on the parts that they are the too large to be mounted on a lathe. Next, our topic is shaper and planer. Shaping and planing operations involve the machining of the flat surface, group shoulders, flat T-slots, angular surface with a single point tools. The large shapes have a 13-inch, 36-inch cutting stroke and can machine parts up to 36-inch long. The cutting tool on the shaper oscillates, cutting on the forward stroke with the workpiece feed automatically towards the tool during each return stroke. Planing machines perform the same operations. In the planing case, the upper portion is the shaper and the next portion is the planing machine. Planing machine perform the same operations as shaper but can machine longer workpiece. Some planners can machine parts up to 50 feet long. The workpiece is mounted on the reciprocating table that moves the workpiece, a cutting tool. This tool, which remains the workpiece stationary during the cutting stroke, automatically fits into the workpiece after each cutting stroke.